Pokemon have something called abilities. These are like passive powers that have some kind of usefulness when in terms of battling. Some have one ability while some can have more than two abilities. And there is Delibird, the delivery Pokemon with three abilities. Number 1 comes Hustle, which gives it a 50% boost to its attack stat at the cost of 20% accuracy, meaning 100% accurate, Brave Bird is now hitting 80% of the time. The next is Insomnia, which prevents it from falling asleep. And the last is Vital Spirit, which also prevents it from falling asleep. You know what? Never mind.